Hey YouTube, Brush Life here. We're gonna trim up these 3 palms. Hopefully I could reach all of them with the bucket. If not, we're gonna have to, the bucket doesn't reach that far one, we're gonna have to climb it. But yeah, see how it goes. Had raccoons, rats, owls come out of these, from underneath these palms. You get to see the actual diameter of the palm. Check it out. All this other stuff, it's like a bunch of fluff. What sucks most about palms is look at the mess we're gonna make. That's what sucks. And these stay this diameter the whole way up. They never get any fatter. Here's how they stay. It's always kind of scary when you climb them. They move too, check it out. They move a lot. Another thing too with these palms, well, this is for whoever hasn't really done palms or there's no palms in their areas. Every time you spur up these, the wound you put in there, as far as like wherever you put in your spike, it never heals. So a lot of these, they always get spiked up. They trim them year after year after year, and it never heals. So there's something to think about. And you're supposed to, I guess, SRT up it, which is, I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything about that. I'll let you guys leave it up to your guys' imagination. A lot of people die on these palms too. They'll start climbing up from underneath these dead palm fronds. And then they'll just come like a domino effect. You take one from the bottom and they all come down and they'll suffocate the climber. They'll be stuck. So that's scary too. Not scary, but just, you know, well, yeah, I guess it's scary, but just kind of nervous. You get nervous sometimes. I do. While you check this out, how people have died, they'll start climbing from the bottom and then pulling these how I was earlier, and it's like a domino effect. They'll pull one and then check it out. This one's not going that easy, but sometimes you barely touch them and they all fall. But you can see what I'm talking about. See, all these are just bunched up and they'll fall on the climber and you're tied in and all these fall in between you and the palm. Look at that. And you're stuck. You suffocate. Not good. That's why you're supposed to start from the top. So you're supposed to throw a line up there, and sometimes it seems all right, but sometimes you don't know the condition of the palm up there, and it's just, I don't know, kind of sketchy if you ask me. There's a bunch of them. It becomes real heavy. Look at those clouds, YouTube. Pretty cool. The view. We just closed the feed table on that chipper and I felt the vibration all the way up here.